ready to upgrade to the latest iPhone from the comfort of your Dubai home. First, head to Apple.com, that's Apple.com/AE to access the official Apple Store for the United Arab Emirates. Make sure the language is set to English or Arabic for easier navigation. Next, locate the iPhone tab at the top of the page. It's usually right next to the Apple logo. Click on it to explore the available iPhone models. Now, you can scroll through all the glorious iPhone options. Take your time to compare the features, colors, and prices of each model: the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15, or even older models if they are still available. Once you've made your choice, click on the specific iPhone model you want. This will take you to its detailed product page. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select the iPhone 15 Pro. On this page, you can customize your iPhone. Select your desired storage size, color, and carrier option if applicable. Be sure to check the estimated delivery date, as these configurations will affect it. After customizing your iPhone, click the Add to Bag button. This will add your selected configuration to your virtual shopping cart. Click on the bag icon at the top right of the page to review your order. Double-check that everything is correct, including the model, color, storage, and price. Note the subtotal and estimated tax that will be calculated later. If everything looks good, click the checkout button to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can create one or continue as a guest. Enter your shipping address within Dubai, making sure to include your building name, street address, and contact number. Choose your preferred shipping method and then select your payment option. Apple accepts various payment methods: credit cards, debit cards, and even installments with select banks. Finally, review your order summary one last time. Then click Place Order to complete your purchase. You'll receive an order confirmation email with tracking information. Congratulations, your new iPhone is on its way.